Good morning, children. This is Sita. Welcome to IIT Chemistry 7th class. Okay, children, previous class we have discussed about what is periodicity. Next, properties of the periodic. What is periodic properties? What is periodicity? The systematic, for example, what is periodic law? What is periodic properties? The physical and chemical properties directly or indirectly depends upon the electronic configuration of the element is called periodic properties law. What is periodic properties law? The physical and chemical properties directly or indirectly depends upon the electronic configuration of the element. Next, what is periodicity? The meaning of periodicity, the systematic regular intervals, that intervals are called periodicity. What is that interval, children? Intervals are 2, 8, 8, 18, 18, 32. Those are the intervals. The systematic regular intervals, that intervals are called periodicity. How is form of these intervals? Atomic number, first group elements atomic number, if you added these intervals in first period interval to second period 8, third period 8, fourth period 8, fifth period 8, next sixth period 32. Easy to find the atomic number. Those are called intervals. Next, what is periodic properties? How many types, children? First one, atomic size. Second one, ionization energy. Third one, electron gain enthalpy. Fourth type, electropositivity. Next, electronegativity. Next, oxidation states and valency. Periodic properties are 7 types. Next, we are discussed about factors. How many factors? Periodic properties having 2 factors. First factor, screening effect. What is screening effect or shielding effect? Another factor, what is effective nuclear charge? What is screening effect, children? Screening effect depends upon the inner electrons. In a multi-electron system, the attraction between the nucleus to valence shell is increased. Due to screening effect depends upon the inner electrons. If inner electrons increases, the attraction between the nucleus to valence shell somewhat decrease. That is called screening effect. Screening effect depends upon the inner electrons. If inner electrons increases, screening effect also increase. Next second factor, what, children? Effective nuclear charge. Effective nuclear charge, due to screening effect, nuclear charge decrease. Due to screening effect, nuclear charge decrease. Why? Because the attraction between the nucleus to outermost shell somewhat decrease due to inner electrons is called effective nuclear charge. Effective nuclear charge depends on one formula is there, no? Z star equal to Z minus sigma. Z star equals to Z equals to actual nuclear charge. Sigma equals to screening constant. Z star equal to effective nuclear charge. Next, how many factors? Properties depends upon the 2 factors. First factor, screening effect or shielding effect. Keep in your mind, children, very important. Screening effect depends upon the inner electrons. If inner electrons be like this is nucleus. Here nucleus having one atom having some cells, no? Inside electron, this is outermost electrons or valence electrons. Those all are inner electrons. If your inner electrons is increases, screening effect also increase. Why? Because actually the attraction between the nucleus to outermost shell somewhat increase. Due to screening effect, the attraction between the nucleus to outermost shell somewhat decrease. Screening effect depends upon the inner electrons. So here electron repulsion takes place. That's why here inner electrons is increases, shielding effect also increase. Shield means completely like that wall. Okay, this is screening effect. Nuclear charge, due to screening effect, nuclear charge will be decreased. Okay, next, first property. What is first property? Properties are 7 types. First property, atomic size or atomic radii. Second property, ionization energy. Third property, electron gain enthalpy. property electropositivity, next electronegativity, next valency, next oxidation, states or number. Now we are discussed about first. Now we are learnt about first concept, that means first property. What is the first property? Atomic radii. Very simple, Nana. Atomic radii. Atomic radii means the definition of atomic radii. Atomic radii or atomic size. Atomic radii or atomic size. Very simple. For example, atomic radii defined as this is nucleus. This is nucleus. The distance between the nucleus to outermost shell. This distance is called atomic radii. Atomic radii. Very simple. Atomic radii defined as the distance between the nucleus to outermost shell. Outermost shell. Most shell. Outermost shell. The distance between the nucleus to outermost shell. This distance are called atomic radii. Atomic radii defined as the distance between the nucleus to outermost shell when electron present. Where electron present is called atomic radii. Very simple. Atomic radii defined as atomic radii defined as the distance between nucleus to outermost shell. Outermost shell. The distance between nucleus to outermost shell. Where electron present. Where electron present. What is atomic radii? Atomic radii defined as the distance between nucleus to this distance. The distance between this is center of the nucleus. The distance between center of the nucleus. The distance between nucleus to outermost shell. The distance between nucleus to outermost shell. This is nucleus cell, outermost shell. Nucleus. The distance between nucleus to outermost shell. This distance is called, here this last shell is called outermost shell. Outermost shell. The distance between nucleus to outermost shell. The distance between nucleus to outermost shell. This distance is called atomic radii. Okay. Nucleus. The distance between nucleus to outermost shell. This distance is called atomic radii. The definition of atomic radii. Atomic radii defined as the distance between nucleus to outermost shell. Where electron present. Here outermost shell electrons is there. No, valence electrons. The distance between nucleus to valence electron. The distance is called atomic radii. Atomic radii expressed in 3 units. Atomic radii expressed in 3 units. Atomic radii expressed in 3 units. First unit nanometer. First unit nanometer. Second unit angstrom unit. Third unit picometer. Last unit picometry. Okay. So atomic radii expressed in 3 units. Nanometer, angstrom unit, picometer. power of minus 10 meters. 1 angstrom unit value 10 power of minus 10 meters. Next one, picometry value. Picometry value 1 picometry value 10 power of minus 12 meters. 10 power of minus 12 meters. Keep in your mind now. All of you write down notes. Listen properly now. In this class, first very important properties. First property, atomic radii. What is definition atomic radii? That atomic radii defined as the distance between the nucleus to outermost shell. The distance between nucleus to outermost shell is called atomic radii. Atomic radii expressed in 3 units. First unit nanometry, second unit angstrom unit, third unit picometry. Okay, third one nanometer value 10 power of minus 9 meters. 1 angstrom unit value 10 power of minus 10 meters. 1 picometer value 10 power of minus 12 meters. Okay, so atomic radii expressed in 3 units. Atomic radii expressed in 3 units. Atomic radii expressed in 3 units. First nanometer value, angstrom unit value, picometry value. Okay, nanometer value 10 power of minus 9 meters. Angstrom unit value 10 power of minus 10 meters. Picometry value 10 power of minus 12 meters. What is atomic radii? The distance between nucleus to outermost shell. Atomic radii defined as the distance between nucleus to outermost shell is called atomic radii. Okay, the distance between nucleus to outermost shell. This distance is called atomic radii. Atomic radii expressed in 3 units. First unit nanometry value, angstrom unit, picometry. One nanometer value 10 power of minus 9 meters. 1 angstrom unit value 10 power of minus 10 meters. 1 picometry value 10 power of minus 12 meters. Keep in your mind now, what is atomic radii? Atomic radii defined as the distance between the nucleus to outermost shell is called atomic radii. Next, atomic radii natural pattern. Atomic radii expressed in atomic radii is divided into 3 types. First type covalent radii, second one van Allen radii, third one metallic radii. Atomic radii having 3 types. Atomic radii natural pattern. Atomic radii divided into 3 types. First type covalent radii. Atomic radii classifies into 3 types. First type covalent radii, second type van Allen radii. Van Allen radii. Third type metallic radii. Metallic radii. Okay. Atomic radii classified into 3 types. Natural atom classified into 3 types. First one covalent radii. Covalent radii. Second type van Allen radii. Third type metallic radii. Now we have discussed atomic radii. Atomic radii. What is definition of atomic radii? The distance between the nucleus to outermost shell. The distance between nucleus to outermost shell is called atomic radii. Atomic radii classified into 3 types. First one covalent radii, second van Allen radii, third type metallic radii. So now we are going to covalent radii. What is covalent radii? Simple. First we have discussed what is covalent bond. We have discussed now what is covalent bond. What are half of the distance between covalent bond mean? For example, at a covalent radii homolytic and heterolytic. Homolytic covalent bond, homolytic covalent bond. Next, heterolytic covalent bond. Homolytic covalent bond. Next, second one, heterolytic covalent bond. We are discuss what is the homolytic covalent bond, what is heterolytic covalent bond. Covalent bond mean mutual sharing of electrons. For example, H2. H2 molecule is homolytic. Homolytic molecule. H2 is homolytic molecule. For example, HCl. HCl heterolytic molecule. Heterolytic molecule HCl, homolytic molecule H2. So H2, HCl. They are same type atoms combined to form molecule. Same type atoms combined to form molecule. Different type atoms combined to form molecule. Okay, molecule are not compound. Different type atoms combined compound. Same type atoms combined molecule. Homo means combination of same type of atoms. Hetero means combination of different type of atoms. Okay. Now we are discuss what is homo covalent bond. Homo covalent bond, for example, hydrogen. Hydrogen having one electron. So how many hydrogen atomic number 1. So hydrogen having one electron. Next, how many in H2 molecule? How many hydrogens is there, children? 2 hydrogens. No. First hydrogen having one electron. Next hydrogen having one electron. So H2 molecule having 2 electrons. For example, here hydrogen having one electron, another hydrogen having one electron. So due to stable mutual sharing of this one pair. So after to form here hydrogen bond hydrogen. This bond is called covalent bond. This bond is called covalent bond. Okay. So what is covalent bond? Mutual sharing of electrons. Mutual sharing of electron. One hydrogen having one electron, another hydrogen having another electron. This bond means 2 electrons. Bond means 2 electrons. Bond means 2 electrons. This bond is called covalent bond. So due to stable, for example, hydrogen 1s1, 1 electron unstable. If you gain of 1 electron, to get stable, we need an electronic configuration. We will having 2 electrons now. So if you hydrogen to gain 1 electron to get stable, this hydrogen also to gain 1 electron to get stable. That's why this hydrogen donate 1 electron, this hydrogen donate 1 electron. So mutual sharing, these pair mutual sharing of electron. For example, now hydrogen having 2 electrons. Here hydrogen having 2 electrons. So mutual sharing of electrons. Mutual sharing of electrons is called covalent bond. Is called covalent bond. Hydrogen bond, hydrogen. This bond is called covalent bond. This is homolytic covalent bond. Homolytic covalent bond. Next we have discussed heterolytic covalent bond. Heterolytic means compound hydrochloric acid. Different type atoms combined. Different type of atoms combined to form heterolytic covalent bond. Homolytic covalent bond example H2, Rn2 like that. Homolytic covalent bond. Heterolytic covalent bond example hydrochloric acid. So here hydrogen having 1s1 electronic configuration. Chlorine having how many electrons? Here hydrogen atomic number 1 electronic configuration 1s1. Chlorine atomic number 17 electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5. 3s2, 3p5. 1s1 here 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 6 10, 10 plus 2 12, 12 plus 5 17. This is called Lewis dot symbol. We will learn the next class, 8th class. Okay, Nana? Now we are learned only what is covalent bond. What is covalent bond? Sharing of electrons, mutual sharing of electrons. The atoms having mutual sharing of electrons. Covalent bond divided into homolytic, heterolytic. Homolytic means same type atoms combined. Heterolytic means different type atoms combined. Covalent bond means mutual sharing of electrons. Here hydrogen having 1 electron. Here chlorine having 7 electrons. So the mutual sharing of these pair. This is called this bond having 2 electrons. This bond having 2 electrons. Bond having 2 electrons. This is called covalent bond. Okay, Nana? Next, what is covalent? What is atomic radii? The distance between nucleus to outermost shell. The distance between covalent radii. Atomic radii defined as the distance between the nucleus to outermost shell. Nucleus to outermost shell is called, where electron present, is called covalent radii. Covalent radii expressed in 3 units. First unit what, children? First unit nanometry. Nanometry value 10 power of minus 9 meters. Next angstrom unit value 10 power of minus 10 meters. Next picometer value 10 power of minus 12 meters. Next, atomic radii divided into 3 types according to their atomic nature. So, divided into 3 types. First type covalent radii, second type van der Waals radii, third type metallic radii. What is covalent radii? Before we have discussed what is homolytic covalent bond, what is heterolytic covalent bond. Covalent bond means mutual sharing of electrons. Covalent bond divided into 2 types. Heterolytic covalent bond, homolytic covalent bond. Homolytic covalent bond means same type atoms combined to form homolytic covalent bond. Heterolytic covalent bond means hydrochloric acid. No need this one, don't write. What is right first? What is atomic radii? Next units. Next, how many types is there atomic radii? Okay, Nana. Next class we have discussed what is covalent radii. What is covalent radii? Okay. All of you learn properly, Nana. Watch my videos clearly and write down notes. Thank you. See you next class.